For this example, we're going to multiply 2i plus 1 times 3i minus 1. Now, to multiply these, the first thing you want to do is use FOIL. So 2i times 3i is 2 times 3, which is 6, and then I times I is I squared. And then you want to do 2i times negative 1. 2i times negative 1 is negative 2i. And then positive 1 times 3i is just going to be plus 3i. And then positive 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. And now you want to simplify everything. Something to remember is that I squared is always equal to negative 1. So anytime you see an I squared, you have to replace it with negative 1. So 6 times our I squared, we're going to replace with negative 1. And now these are like terms, so we can combine those. So negative 2 plus 3 is just plus 1i, or plus I, and then you still have your minus 1. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 plus I minus 1. And now these are like terms, negative 6 and negative 1. So you have negative 7 plus I. It should always be in the form of a plus bi form. So our I term should always be second after our constant. And so that's what it's in already, so it looks like we're good, and that's our final answer.